Hi everyone. So first I should preface this video by saying I'm making it in 106, so there might be some interruptions. Some of the seniors are working on their projects and stuff, so if you hear a little background noise, that's why. I figured it was better to get these out to you sooner rather than later, and that meant being in kind of a noisy workspace. So hopefully you can hear everything fine and there's not too many interruptions and distractions. So the first thing I wanted to do was address threading text. I know for some of you that was a little challenging. There are lots of videos on my YouTube channel as to how to do that, particularly as it pertains to this project, but also this is the same process that you all learned during your Colex zines as well as Yestermorrow booklets. So if you did any of those projects, this is the exact same process, and any of those videos will show you the exact way to do it. The problem is, if you set text according to the way I told you to yesterday, it likely worked for the first few pages, but then after that the pagination got off. That's because I had my preferences set up for a quad fold thing that I had been working on and I forgot to change it back. And so actually this is what you would have encountered if you had done it the way I told you. It paginates recto to verso, verso to recto, and then it gets a little wonky on the fourth page. So this is obviously problematic, and I want to show you all how to fix it. So the first thing you're going to do is come up into the master pages, and right now it's threading text from, this was set up inadvertently in the correct way. So if you had it set up so that it was like this, where this is the primary text flow on the verso as I showed you in class, and it links to the left page, that is wrong. And again, sorry for that. So the first thing you want to do is unclick primary text flow there. You are going to click the overflow and dump it back into itself, and so you can see there's no more relationship between these two pages. You want to make this the primary text flow, click the text overflow box, and link it to the verso page. So that's the right way to set up the text, as you may have seen in other videos on the channel. The problem with this now is that InDesign doesn't automatically reflow your text based on that change you made to the master page. You have to reapply all of that. And so the easiest way to do that is to come down here to the document view and select pages 2 through whatever your end document is. Click delete and click OK, and it will delete everything but the first page and then reflow your text. So now when we check this, it goes recto verso, verso recto, recto verso, and now it is flowing correctly, so that your page numbers should be correct and the text that's on them should be correct. Hopefully that addresses it. Let me know in Slack if you have any questions, but otherwise that should fix it. Thanks.